How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so, got an unboxing here for everybody. This would be the Talk Go USB microphone from JLab. And a shout out to my lady for gifting me this microphone. It is a Cardioid microphone. Well, Cardioid and Omni. It's got two different modes that are beneficial for either doing podcasting in a group interview setting or just a singles. But then on top of that, you know, I've heard the audio from this because B-Tech Reviews has this particular mic and did an unboxing of it, and the quality sounded really good. So I wanted to get this as it would be a little bit more louder and crispier than my Toner TC777, which is the mic that I was using for quite some time. Grabbing this is gonna definitely help out. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside the box. This is what you get with it. So let's open this up, and you get obviously the microphone itself. And I thought this thing was going to be heavy, but it's actually quite light. It's not that heavy at all. And yeah, you see the different connections: 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, Type-C connection, volume, trigger, and then the center button mutes and unmutes the mic. But if you hold it, it switches its mode from Cardioid to Omni, which would pick up all around the microphone itself. Yeah, so there you go. You have it. Along with that, you get a tripod mount. So here it is. And you also get the bracket itself that twists onto the tripod mount and locks into the microphone itself. So along with that, you also get some paperwork, and you get a Type A to USB-C. And so this actually works out pretty good. And again, that's pretty much what you get. There's no software to install. You don't need to add anything else to it. Simply plug and play. So right now, I'm going to show you guys here in a minute just how to assemble it. It's real easy. It doesn't take a lot of work to assemble it. So let's go ahead and put the bracket onto the mic. So you can use what came with it. I have other tripods too that can extend higher, so I might be using those to, make it at a certain level. But technically, yeah, you can use those, or you can use the one that came with it. So twisting it onto the mic, and then the bottom piece locking it to the tripod mount allows it for tabletop mounting. I'm not sure if you can use this with like one of those boom arms, but I'll definitely get back to people on that. So this is what it looks like. This is the way you want it positioned if you have it in Cardioid mode. This is where the voice is captured quite a bit from. So you want it at this angle. In Omni is where it's going to grab all the way around. So switching modes, and you can tell just by the color from the bottom of the mic when it's plugged in. If it's blue, it's Cardioid. If it's green, it's Omni. And if it's red, it's muted. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Not too shabby. And I'm actually using the mic right now for the voiceover, so you guys are hearing a demo. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section of the video. Smash that like button if you guys enjoyed it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Would really appreciate that. That's it for right now. Thanks for checking out this video. You guys have been awesome, and I'll see you on the next one. Aloha.